Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Da, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. O saan ako maglalaro ng Fears to Fathom, Carson House. Well, so dito sa game na to is magbabantay tayo ng bahay ni Mrs. Carson o Mr. Carson. I don't know if Miss, I don't know kung sino sa kanila, mag-asawa ba sila. And yan, habang nagbabantay tayo, may something strange na mangyayari. Like, may stalker ata tayo, yeah. May mang-i-stalk sa atin, siguro galing sa past natin, like ka-relationship natin, kaibigan, I don't know. So, lalaroin na natin siya. Ano pa hinihintayin natin? It's the time to play this game. My name is Noah. I'm a 28-year-old. 28-year-old. Male from the Midwest. I have no idea why I'm sending this, but I hope my story can be a lesson. This happened to me when I was 18. So, 10 years na tayo lumipas. If tama, yeah, 10 years na. But I remember this incident like yesterday as a trauma dictated a major part of my life. Well, lahat naman, di man talaga makakalimutan yung mga ganun nangyayari. Like yung napapaya ka, nakakatakot na nangyari sa buhay mo, ganun. For a little background, my dad was a realtor and almost always became friends with his clients. One day he came home and pitched me a small job offer for the weekend. One of his old clients was going away for a few days and needed somebody he could trust to watch under his house. Also, parang etong si Mrs. Carson o Mr. Carson, kaibigan ng tatay natin. I mean, kliyente ng tatay natin. The man worked as a COO at a local media company. Dad told me that the man would pay me $100 just to watch. Oh, paldo. Ang laki na rin, paldo na. Watch the house and do some basic chores. I accepted the offer as I had nothing interesting going for a weekend. Besides, I thought I could see the time to get my schoolwork done. Plus, I wasn't picky where my pocket money came from. My dad drove me to the house. Oh, ito na yun. Oh. My bad. So, ano lang tayo, like, labandero. Tatatat. Okay. What this one? Wala. Newspaper. Ba't may mga cart na nakakalat? Soap sounds. So, nag-washing ba tayo ng damit natin? Wala. So, dito ba? Notice employee only. O, sa employee ba tayo dito? What? Ba't ang daming washing machine? Is this a back rooms? Shift to sprint? What do you mean, bro? May mga habol ba sa atin? Lasing ba tayo? Backrooms ba to? Umuwi na lang ako dito. Siyempre basurahan. Kala ko may patay. What the heck yan? Hello sir. Bleach. What? Excuse me. Where did you put it? What is it? What is this place? Backrooms. Where is bleach? I need bleach. What even is this place? Who are you? I said I need bleach. I said I need bleach. No. Noah. Huh? No. Now time's over. We're here. We're here. You said you could do this. Tatay ko ba to? Wake up now. Wake up, Noah. No, wake up. Oh, so panaginip nga lang. No, wake up. Tatatat. Hindi natin tatay yun. Sino yun? You still think you can do this? How long did I doze off for? Doesn't matter. Can you do this now? I got this. Roy called and said the key should be under the fake rock. Got it. He said it's in the backyard. And like I said, keep the doors locked and don't open the door for anyone. I heard you the first time, Dad, so... Okay, now get your ass to work. Okay, I'm going to work my ass with my ass though. I hope you know I'm only in it for the snacks. Okay, get out. So drive safe, Dad. I love you. Okay. So yun, it was a nice neighborhood. So is this the fake rock? Nope. Among sunflower yan. So okay, hindi dito. Had to get a key from the backyard. Boy? May aso dito? Oh, ito. Hello, doggy. No, I'm gonna call you Cookies and Cream. So ito yung bahay mo. Wala nang laman yun mo. Salo, doggy. Ayaw niya saluhin. Di ba siya naipag-usap? Wait lang, nasa fake rock daw eh. Nasa peking bato. So ano yung tamang bato? Ano yung totoong bato? Baka nakakahay yung bato na yan. Fake rock. Yung dog? Ito ba yun? Nandito yun. Oh, there you are, bro. Fake rocky. Oh, nandito yung susi sa loob ng bato. Math notebook? What the heck? I hate math, bro. So, we're in. How to lock it? Lock? Never mind. So, anong task natin? Who the heck is this Evelyn Copper? This little baby. Oh! May girlfriend tayo dito sa... Okay. Oh, wala mo lang kayong ano? I love you. Like sweet. Okay. So, this little baby... I honestly jealous. Okay, I know, right? Just had this weirdest dream ever. Ito ba yung girlfriend natin? So, anong dapat natin gawin? I really had to pee. Okay, ihi tayo. Sabihin si... Oh no, may gulay. Please. Ano? Do not disturb for any reason. Ano to? Mga... Pictorial? Yeah, it's kinda, you know, pictorial. See to crouch? What do you mean see to crouch? For pictorial to. Ito mga ganyan. Ral was too lazy to model their garage. Okay. So, magsi-CR tayo. At hindi ko alam kung nasa yung CR. So, ito yung front door. Ito yung front and the porch. Ito yung porch. Like yung... Yeah, part ng bahay. Saan yung CR? Oh, there you are. Mrs. Carson wasn't going to like that. Kagi. Sorry, my bad. My bad. All goods. Well, what's next? Maliligo ba tayo? I wouldn't have asked for anyone if it wasn't for Zeke. Zeke? What the heck is Zeke? Boy's been a little sick lately. Oh, I'll take care of him and the house now that I'm here. I have nothing to worry about. Oh, si Zeke! Si Zeke yung name nung aso. Yung name nung aso si Zeke. Okay, goods. I'm gonna take care of that dog. I'm gonna take care of Zeke, bro. Don't worry, Mr. Carson. I got this. So, ito, ano to? Sorry, Roy. Roy Carson, I think. Sino yung Roy Carson? Sino si Mr. Carson? I don't know. You're a lifesaver, kid. Speaking of him, I wanted to remind you, it's his dinner time. If you could get him his dog food for the basement. Oh no, bro, please lang. Wag sa basement. Almost forgot. I apologize. Those light in the basement. You can grab a flashlight in the storage room upstairs. Okay, the complimentary horror game flashlight natin is paparating na. Oh, ito ba yung flashlight? Ang ganda talaga tignan ng mga bahay na magkakadikit sa mga Amerika, like sa ibang bansa. Parang gusto ko tumira sa ganito. At the same time kasi, puro barilan eh. Away, gito ganyan. Like nakawan. So, this is a complimentary horror game flashlight. And ito yung, I don't know. Okay, mali yung dinaanan natin. So, storage room is right here, right? Yeah. Dog food. Where's the freaking dog food? Ay, pagkain ni Zeke. Ito ba yun? Hindi. Isang sako yan eh. Okay, ang creepy. Ito ba? Ito ba? Buba. Ito nga. Oh, ito! My bad. Akala ko itong isang sako kasi may dog food siya guys, oh. Dog food. So, ito pala. My bad. So, papakainin natin si Zeke. Saan yung labas? Hindi, front yan. I think dito sa may kusina. Dito. Yan. Oh, may pinto dito. Dito dapat. This is my backyard. Okay. Dinner time, Zeke. Ito yung kainan niya, di ba? He had to open the can. Oh, may kulay. Oo nga pala, my bad. Hindi pala, napaka-realistic pala itong game na to. Oh, ito. Oh, okay. Okay, baka pwede na. Baka may kailangan pang gawin. Parang gusto mag-swimming. So, ito na, Zeke. Come here. Come here, doggy. Bro, look at him, bro. Okay, nagmumukbang na siya. I love dog, guys. Pero ayoko lang minsan sa kanila kasi once na kami nangangagat. Pero mahal ko yung mga aso. I love dogs. So, balik na tayo. Roy Carson, hey kid. Heard from Walter you're a computer whiz, huh? I have a favor to ask. My computer has been acting weird lately and my whole security system is tied to it. Oh yeah, got you. Oh yeah, you got a whole security system set up here? Sinakakasabi niya nga lang eh. Sabi niya nga lang. Ba't ba ang kulit mo? About this one. Walang computer dito. Mr. Carson's bedroom had this weird smell of wet clothes. May labahin. Oh, dito. Yeah, dito yan, I think. Yan yung naamoy mo. Is this Mrs. Carson? Is that Mrs. Carson? Oh, about this one. You can open it from here, okay. So, ito. Oh, mga labahin, like laundry. Ito yung room ng laundry. For laundry, and I think ito na yon if tama. Oh, so nakasarado yung pinto mula dito. Kasi hindi mabuksan, like may nakaharang. Mr. Carson's office looked like a good spot. I could sit down and work. Okay. Oh, may laptop pa siya. Sit down and do your work. I remember I was doing calculus that night. Okay, magka-calculus tayo. I did have a schoolwork to do but I wasn't feeling it at that time. So, gusto mo ba matulog? Anong gusto mong gawin? So, what's the password? Carson123. Did you forget your password? Of course I did. Okay. Wait lang. Thanks, kid. Alec Carson 5380. Ano? Alec Carson. Okay. Alec Carson 5783. Password hint. Meow meow. Okay. Meow. Okay, mali. Meow. Oh, may gulay. 5387, Alec Carson. Malaking A. Tapos Alec Carson. 5783? 5783? 5387, Alec Carson. Okay. Le, Le Carson 5783. What? 5387. Okay guys, my bad. Makakalimutin na ako. Ale Carson Carson 5387. Oh! Ang bira, ano nangyari? Ali Carson naman, tama naman. Welcome. Eggs. The system has encountered a critical error. Internet browse. Get the children cache holds computer. Get full protection. Fix and clean. Okay. Protect your system with effective. Okay, ayusin natin yung computer ni Mr. Carson. Download now. Okay, download natin yung antivirus para sa computer niya nagloloko, I think. I don't know if anong problema nito. Sabi niya, something ito ganyan. Perform full scan. Okay, performs full scan. Is waiting. Wala akong alam sa computer guys Hindi ako IT or kahit ano, like wala akong alam sa computer. Pero may ilan naman akong alam sa computer pero wala akong alam sa mga ganitong bagay like sa pagiging IT. Risk high. Remove, of course, remove natin yan. Ano ba pinagda-download ni Mr. Carson dito? Nanalo ba siya sa ng iPhone 17 Pro Max? Tapos pinindot niya yung link. Okay na. Antivirus. Okay, you are protected. So, we got the CCTV. And this is Zeke. That's my dog. That's my dog. He was right there, guys. To in front, I guess. So, recycle bin. Restore. Yes. Guide to being a better person. Okay. Talk and talk. Directed by Ali Carson. In this video, we will be covering how to talk like a better person. Okay. Feel free to take a break whenever you need. Step 1. Don't be rude. No, I'm not rude. Ano ba yan? Ginamit niya po yung video niya. Being rude will discourage people. Something may... Ito ata yung virus Sorry, it appears that something is wrong with the broadcast. Yeah. In the meantime, enjoy some happy images. Oh! Ang cute! Ang cute! Remain calm in any conversation. Lagi ako kalmado. Okay, it's kinda demonic. Oh my gulay. Now, even though what he said was controversial, did you stay calm? No! Natakot ako, bro! Tumayo balahibo ko! Being calm makes you a better person. I'm not calm, bro. Hindi ako kalmado. That's all we have for today. Yeah! You know, it's kind of virus. It's kind of virus. Delete natin yan. We can't. Check natin kung may message. Okay. So ito, Evelyn Cooper. I had this video. Oh, what was it about? Will reminds me of Cooking with Jeffrey on Channel 10 last night. By the way, the rerun must be on right now. You gotta watch it with me. With that place got a TV? Yeah, oh, hold on. I'm just... okay, wait lang. Thanks, kid. It's done. It was just some Trojan. I recommend you only download software from trusted website. Hindi. Ano yan Like... nanalo si Mr. Carson, Mr. Carson sa isang nanonood siya ng anime or kahit anong movie and nanalo daw siya ng iPhone 17 Pro Max. Ito yung pinindot niya and yan, nagkaroon ng virus. Tell that to my kid. But thanks. I'll drop you a nice tip when I get back. Okay, well, thank you, Mr. Carson. Ano pa ayusin natin? China, of course. Austria. Okay, ayoko na, ano. Jamaica yan, Jamaica. China. Wala bang... Wait lang. Far on wall. So, wala ba tayong pwedeng gawin dyan? Like, makain? Pwede ba tayo matulog? We got the complimentary horror game flashlight. May TV ba siya sa baba? Puntahan nga natin yung TV sa baba. Ano may TV din sa baba eh. Okay, excuse me, sorry. May TV dito. Pwede tayo manood ng TV, guys. So, ito yung TV. Okay, medyo creepy.
Jeffrey. I'm Jeffrey. And today we are cooking.
Ba't parang siya yung napanood ko kanina? Evelyn Cooper.
Love me cat food.
It's on. Are you watching? Cat food? Yeah, cat food.
And healthy.
It's my favorite dish. Eh, what the heck? Cat food is your favorite dish? What do you mean? Like,
Eat this. It's raw.
is she a cat?
So first we are going to gently pour the cat food
Makakatulog ba tayo niyan?
conveniently placed pan on a stove.
Okay, niluto yung cat food dun sa ano? Sizzle. Ang weird naman yung palabas. Fry the cat food.
Mother's
Tapos pwede natin kainin.
lucky baby. Okay, now while that's cooking, we can
Jeffrey really just be a Jeffrey sometimes.
I will be preparing what's known as a piece of cardboard.
Pwede ba na tayo tumayo, matulog?
We will
Di ba pagod yung mata natin?
a glass
Cardboard, a glass.
milk. To start, we poured the milk into the glass.
Yeah, hindi na puno. Si The Grinch ba yan?
We dip the cardboard into the milk.
Wait lang, si Mr. Carson. Also, I think you should get... Okay, you think... wait lang.
Nice.
Also, I think you should get the groceries before it gets too dark outside. There's some cash in my nightstand. Groceries. Natypo pa siya. Groceries. Is that a Spanish word? Kukuhanin natin yung pera niya sa may sandaw. In my nightstand. I hate these ads. May ads? Where's the ano yun? Nightstand? What the heck is nightstand? Nightstand. You mean from here? Yeah. Got it, Mr. Carson. I mean, Roy Carson, Mr. Carson. No, but you're missing. Okay. Sorry, I think I gotta run. This dude on my ass right now wants me to get groceries in the middle of the night. No, but you're missing the best part. No, sorry, baby. I don't know if girlfriend natin yan. But I think, yeah. I have got na girlfriend natin siya. For your trouble, get something for yourself as well in the house. Okay. So, ito yung grocery na dapat mabili natin. You can take Alex's bike. It's outside the garage. But parang feel ko ano yun, walang tao sa bahay nila. I mean, yeah, marami ata sila magkapamilya, may anak siya, asawa, and also, bakit walang tao? Like, okay. Uy! Okay, dito ba yung papunta? Okay, sa bicycle lane lang tayo. Dito muna tayo sa patakaran ng highway. 9:22 PM. Ang laki naman. Ang tagal naman. Kanina 9. Ay, 8 ano lang ah. Okay. I think doon na tayo. Hey. Hello, beautiful. Saan siya pupunta? Hello, Miss Ma'am. Sumakay ba siya yung sasakyan niya? Sayang, hindi ko na naabutan. Oh, sorry. I hate you! Kung sino ka man! Mabangga ka sana. Oh, man. I fell off the bike. Yun. So, dito natin tambay yung bike natin. Oh, this is kind of embarrassing to admit, but I don't know how to ride a bike at this time. Okay, my bad. But I tried again, okay. I tried again. Di ba pwede ipasok to? Okay, mamimili tayo. Nasa loob yung bike. Wait, excuse me. Okay, dito natin yung parking. Yan. Well, hi, mister. Take that bike of yours outside before I call the police. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, di nyo nakita yun dito. So, you can take, okay. Ranch, strawberry jelly, baked beans. Kailangan mo ng baked beans. No, we don't need that. Coconut milk. So, unahin natin ang ranch. What the heck is ranch? Okay, milk, I think. Milk and eggs. Do we need a basket? Yeah, we need a basket. Uy, umayos ka naman. So, milk and eggs. Where's the freaking eggs? Saan banda yung mga eggs? Ito ba? Soda pop? Nope. Si mga eggs. Where's the fresh eggs? Get garden peas. Garden peas. Elbow, spaghetti. I think I need natin yan. Of course, ketchup. Don't forget the milk and eggs. Get honey. Ranch. Hindi natin need spaghetti. Rice. All about rice. Rice. Uncle Tony's only. Is this Uncle Tony? Ito, Uncle Tony. Oh, good. Uy. Hey, son. Do you work here? I'm just here shopping. Oh, okay, son. What is it? My son likes mustard. I came here looking for it, but I can't find it for the life of me. Do you know where it is? I think they're out of mustard. Oh, isn't that right? No wonder I couldn't find it. Ha! Thank you, son. Well, thank you. Kahit hindi ko pa hinahanap. Sinabihan ko na agad na hindi ko alam. Hello? Okay, umunat siya. Na parang susuntukin niya ako. So, ranch. What the heck is ranch? Plain dish. Rice. Unique. What is unique? Milk. What the heck is milk? Eggs. Do we have the eggs? No, we don't have the eggs. Oh my gulay. Asan yung eggs? Good boys. Real. Milk and eggs. Get garden peas. Honey. Where's the freaking honey, bro? See honey. I don't remember buying anything. Mr. Carson didn't ask. Is this honey? Curry sauce. Spready. Hindi siya Nutella. Spready siya. Coconut milk. Do we need the coconut milk? Where's the freaking honey, bro? Hey, honey. Uy. Choco cups. Okay. Ranch. Hindi natin kailangan yan. Si honey. Oh, may gulay here. Yung ketchup. Well, may ketchup. Oh, yeah. May ketchup. Saan ba na yung ketchup? And speak of the devil. Turner and Andy. Bro, your girl was here. She just left. My girl. Oh, yung girlfriend natin, nasaan? What are you talking about? What was her name? Cara or something? Dude, I said they're not dating anymore. Oh, so may ex nga tayo. Oh yeah, he hopped out to the other chick so quick. I didn't even realize. Don't listen to him, but dude, she bought tons of cans. I think she's throwing like a party or something. You know anything about it? Bro, she looks way older without the makeup. MILF energy, bro. What the heck? Ew. I think someone's more like a cat girl. Got MILF energy. Are you guys done? Anyways, dude, what are you up to tonight? Nothing. You should come with us, dude. We're going to the movies after this. I have to house sit for this guy Carson tonight. You mean Alex? He goes to school with my sister. Heard the kid's a real weirdo, especially since his parents split up. Also, hiwalay si Mr. Carson, pati yung asawa ni Mr. Carson. Yeah, you guys have fun. Alright, dude. See you at the school on Monday. Then, see you around, Andy. So, ano ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, wag na natin pag-usapan yun eh. Sorry na, pasensya na. Break na nga sila. Ang kulit mo. Oh, edi, ibang babae na yun. Oh, ibang na yun. Okay. Pinag-uusapan nila ako. Baka mamaya makagat ko dila ako. So, where's the freaking ketchup? Okay, mga tissue yan eh. Do we need the tissue? Nope. Ketchup. Hindi ko mahanap yung eggs. This is Pinay? Puday? Puray pala, puray. Okay. Flour. Do we need the flour? Strawberry jelly. Choco spread for Celerac. For Alec. Choco spread, you mean this? Choco hops yan eh. Holy mollies! Guys, pwede pa daan. May kulay mga nakaraan. Mga nakarang sila. This the strawberry, I think. Yeah, I think. Do we need that? Some strawberry, okay. Some ketchup. Where's the freaking ketchup? Is this a ketchup? Mustard. Do we need the mustard? Si ketchup. Okay. At yung eggs. Di ko makita yung egg. Uy! Sorry. Kasi yung eggs. Where's the freaking eggs, bro? Walang itlog dito. Yeah, alam mo ba kung nasa yung itlog? Nasa yung itlog ya? Green peas. Ito ba yun? Yung green peas. Kasi sabi ni... Ito. Green garden peas. Well, need natin yan. And, where's the freaking ketchup and eggs? Hindi ko makita yung eggs. This is the eggs? No, hindi yan yung eggs. Oh, may kulay. This is the eggs. Soda pop. Eggs. Where's the freaking eggs? Oh, ito yung ketchup. Okay, I already got the ketchup, guys. So, where's the freaking honey? Wait lang, yung bike ko, nakatabing na. Mustard. Is that a mustard? Ito, honey. All goods. Strawberry. Jelly. Choco spread for Alec. Anong choco spread? Saan? Choco spread. Where's the choco spread? I think, ano yan? Like, choco spread palaman. Yeah, ito. And, strawberry jelly, meron na, milk and eggs, garden peas, get a honey, okay na. Ketchup. Ranch na lang. Where's the ranch and eggs? What is ranch? Yeah, parang sauce. It's kinda sauce. Curry sauce. Ranch. Instant ramen. Narvalo. Spicy. So, anong ranch? Meron ba nun dito ranch? May ranch ba dito? I don't know. Baked beans? Mais naman kayo. Asan dito yung ranch? Uy, kala ko may tao. What kind of ranch na need natin? What the heck is ranch, bro? Alam ko sauce siya, pero asan dito? Clean dish, Mexipack. Choco hips, nope. This is the ranch. Asan? Hindi ko mahanap yung itlog, guys, pati ranch. Ito, dog food ni Zeke. Rice spicy. Okay. Saan yung ranch? Hindi ko na talaga mahanap yung ranch. Pambira. Puray? Ito yung akala ko yung ano eh. Ito. Sa fridge. Asan dito? Ito bang soda pop? Oh, ito! Got you! Okay, ranch na lang. Ranch. And what the heck is ranch? Ayun! Kung may gulay ka, tutuklawin ako kanina pa. Here you go, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to take your bike outside. Okay, my bad. Sir. Should I build this for you? Yes, please. Of course. Thanks for shopping at Knox. You have a good one. Exit. So, Knox yung pangalan ng store, hindi 7-Evelyn. So, yung next, convenience store. Unconvenient. Mag-bike na tayo ulit. Oops! Si Dudong, whoop! All goods na. So, pauwi na tayo. Muntik pa tayo mabangga. It's 9:46 p.m. Wased for ride. Okay, Wased for ride. I think dito yun bahay ni Mr. Carson. If I'm right. Ay, parang creepy. I had to pee again and I was starting to feel a little hungry around that time. I got the groceries. I had to take care of the house now. Oh, hindi dito? Oh, ito yung bahay natin. Oh, my bad guys. Lagay natin yan dyan. I had to keep the groceries in the kitchen. Okay, in the kitchen. I mean, right here. Like I said, I had to... Thought I get some homework down. Okay. Saan muna yung CR? No, hindi yan yung CR. Yung ulit yung CR. Is this the CR? Yeah. Close yan. I spilled. Okay, tapos na. O siga, o diba hindi na natin kailangan buhusan. And gagawin na natin yung homework natin. Reynolds. Oh, umuulan? Andy Reynolds. Dude, you said you're at Carson's, right? You need to see this. Search up Roy Carson divorce on the internet right now. Internet? What do you mean? No, wait lang nga. Roy Carson divorce? Okay. Roy Carson divorce. Okay naman. Chismoso muna tayo sa ngayon. Roy Carson, co-founder of BN Media, claims to be receiving death threats from the angry fans of his ex-wife. 22 hours ago, 21 September 2009. So, Roy Carson, BNX is live. Oh, bro. Sinayang mo tong body na to. Bro, bakit ka makikipag-divorce? Anong problema mo? Hunter News, it's not usual for audience to be nosy about some of the celebrities' personal matters, but sometimes it's just too overbearing. We see something similar with the case of Roy Carson, the COO and co-founder of BN Media, after his very public breakup and divorce with his ex-wife na dapat. Former actress Alisa Brown Carson has allegedly been receiving death threats. Si Alisa Carson nakaka-receive ng death threats from the fans of Alisa Brown for the rumored infidelity that underwent within the said relationship. So may araw pa talaga. Wala ba, pwede ba natin i-chat GPT? Sources say Roy Carson has had the people knocking on his door to confront him. Alisa hasn't been very vocal about the situation yet, but Hunter News is actively trying to reach out at first so the reader stays outdated. Subscribe now. Hunter News, but parang, it's kinda... Okay, may tao. Wait lang guys. May tao. Who is it? Your delivery for your 1 medium pizza from Pizza Depot, sir. What delivery? I didn't order pizza. Your 1 medium size pepperoni pizza. Must be the wrong address. It is 224 Boulevard, right? That's correct. It's ordered by the name of Roy Carson. Open. Hindi ako nanginig o tumalsik yung katawan ko, pero yung kaluluwa ko, yes. Nanginig yung kaluluwa ko. Take. Ay, nag-deliver ba si Roy Carson? Hey, this is probably a very strange request, but do you think I can wait inside until the rain's over? It's probably not very safe to be out here, right? No, and I forgot my raincoat at the shop. I'm not sure my dad would like that. He's upstairs. This is not my house. It's kinda rude na sagutin natin ng ganito. Pero you can stay here in the porch and hintayin na lang na tumilang ulan, kuya. Pero yeah, I'm not sure my dad would like it. Oh, I understand. Well, you have a good day. Leave. You can stay here, yeah. Akala ko naman naglalakad lang siya. Like, kailangan niya ng tulong ito, ganyan. Uy, bumaliktad yung pizza. Thought I could watch some TV while eating. Nakakotse naman pala siya. Akala ko raincoat daw. Mag-raincoat ka, tapos sasakay ka ng sasakyan. Ngayon, ano? Ngayon ko lang na-realize, like, ang mga nag-raincoat is may mga nakamotor, nakabike. Ba't ka mag-raincoat kung nakasasakyan ka? Ewan ko ba sa game na to? So you can take look out for some pizzas. It should arrive any minute. Oh, enjoy. Yeah, kinakain ko na po. You know, pizza was nice and hot despite the rain. Yeah. It gives comfort, you know. Lalo na pag mainit yung kinakain mo tas taglamig. It gives comfort, guys. Spooks. Yeah, that's kind of spooky. Bubutak, te.
Are you doing your work?
Okay, ang creepy.
You'll have to spend the night in the
Okay, ang creepy niya. Oh my gulay, tumatayo balahibo ko. Nanonood lang ako ng pero tumatayo balahibo ko. What the heck?
My name is Jack Barnes. I have been held hostage by Mr. Holland for 37
Okay.
days. He makes me so
Hope everything's okay.
until my head
I'm okay, baby. Good night, Noah. Oh, sir, I got cut off. Good night, Eve. Sweet dreams. Love you. What the heck? Wala siyang paa. He's levitating. Wala siyang kamay, wala siyang paa. Ang crunchy naman ng pizza na kinakain mo. That's kinda spooky. I heard someone's at the door again. I knew I heard a knock at the door. Wait a minute, bro. Wait a minute. Something feels off. I can feel it, bro. Because I have feelings. Look at the CCTV. Hindi natin napatay yung TV ah. Oh, may babae dun! What the heck? Nandito na siya, nandito siya. Oh my gulay, ito na yun. Kunin ba natin yung black? Wait lang, bulaklak ba yun? Ba't mukhang bukay? Oh, isa siyang hita, malaki. Meat. Like, thigh part. Well, my favorite part ng chicken is thigh part and also ng fork. And also ng beef. Thigh part, guys. Thigh part is the best. Ba't kumakain pa tayo? Who is it? Open. Oh, akala ko thigh part na. Sayang. I don't know what to make of it. Well, thank you. Ngayon ako naka-receive ng bulaklak ha. All in my... Sa lahat ng... sa buong buhay ko. Ngayon ako naka-receive ng bulaklak. At sa game pa. Okay. Kasi pizza ko.
Hi there. My name is Flora. It seems
Kaya kain lang tayo.
across my territory. I will have to
Isa na lang sa spice. Isang slice na lang.
now. Bye bye. See you later, alligator.
Ubus na. Ubus na yung pizza ko. And someone's watching us. And so I did. Takbo na tayo sa taas. Unknown sender. Unknown sender. Hey, how are you? What did you have for dinner? Who are you? What? Look out for some pizza and soya. What? Who the heck is this? It was strange, but besides, I had to look a lot of work to catch up on. Okay. So i-study pa tayo. Study first ako, guys. Okay. Engrossment. Okay, I think nakatulugan natin yung homework natin. Ngayon naman yun sa mga kahit ako nakakatulugan ko homework ko. Kunwari, gabi ko na gagawin pag uwi ng bahay. Ba't sila magpapa-homework na parang limitado na lang yung oras mo? Lalo na pag panghapon ka. While I was in the middle of my schoolwork, the power went off. Unknown sender. Are you by yourself? Why do you keep ignoring me? Why are you always so mean to me? You're being very immature right now. Fine, if you're gonna be like that, I don't need you anyways. Todd is so much hotter anyways. Who are you, Todd? Who the heck is Todd? Mas hot siya kaya sa akin. No, bro, mas hot ako sa araw. Who are you? Unknown sender. In that moment, I was almost certain that I had to be another prank by Turner. I knew guys like him very well. Besides, him and Andy were the only people who knew I was house sitting alone. So, yung dalawa ko lang na kaibigan na magjowa nakakaalam na nag-house sitting ako sa isang bahay. Ano yung name ng ano? Password? Ano yung password? Alec Carson 5380. Okay, Alec Carson 5380. Let's check. Okay. Nag-crack yung voice ko. Pasensya na. What the heck? Asa si Zeke? Asa yung aso ko? Oh my gulay, asa yung aso? Okay, may babaeng dumaan dito guys. Dito banda. Meron dito banda. May dumaan dito banda. May dumaan dyan guys. Oh my gulay. Anong gagawin ko? Should I get up? Oh my. Anong gagawin ko? Ay, may complimentary horror game flashlight ko. Asan na yun? Hanggang dito yun ah. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Pero yeah, may babae doon. Yung box ng pizza nandun pa rin. And also yung bouquet. Ano si Zeke? Okay, I think need ko lumabas ng kwarto. Okay, ang dilim sobra. What the heck? Asa yung complimentary organ flashlight ko? Oh my gulay, ang dilim. What? Okay, may mic indicator na naman. Oh my, asa yung flashlight ko? I can't find my flashlight, bro. Yeah, punta na tayo dito. Punta na lang natin kahit madilim. May babang flashlight dyan, Mr. Carson. I need a flashlight, bro. It was suddenly very cold outside. Okay, nakaharang yung bike natin. Hindi yung kinakawalan ni Zeke dun. So wala naman. Sika ko lang ni Zeke. I turned the power back on. Okay. Yeah, sobrang dilim. I could tell that someone had cut the power off. I had to turn her. He was really okay. Unknown sender, what the heck? Wait lang. I had to get back to my school work for Monday. Oh man, kinakabahan ako. Nagpapawis yung mga dalirit pa ako. Sa kamayan pa. What the heck? You said we'd stay friends. Turner, this is not funny. I know it's you. What the heck? So, wala akong time sa mga ganyan. So, I'm gonna do some math. Kahit wala akong alam sa math. Pero siya, itong character na to may alam sa math. So, do your homework, bro. I had a strange gut feeling about the situation. What do you mean? It might sound stupid now, but I just didn't wanna overthink things. Ayaw niya mag-overthink. Hindi niya gusto, hindi niya gusto mag-overthink, like mag-isip ng negative. I heard something downstairs. I had to go and look. Downstairs? What do you mean downstairs? No, please. What? I could swear on my life I didn't turn that oven on. So, nakapasok na ng bahay. Okay. Nakiinit siya, guys. Nakiluto siya. I think, like, siguro, like, mahal na yung gas. Sa panahon ngayon, so, yan, naki-oven siya, nakiluto siya sa atin. Mas mahal na rin ang kuryente. For your information, bro. I had to go and... Oh my gulay. Bro, kinakabahan ako. Okay. I have to do this, guys. I have to do this. Nakabukas yung pinto doon. Oh my gulay, nakapasok na siya ng bahay. Okay, need natin na makat. Loki, it made me very uncomfortable. He was in the house. I had to confront him. I didn't have his contact. I could text Andy. Wait lang. Pasok tayo dito. Okay, this is the only room na makakano tayo. Andy Reynolds, dude. Can you send me Turner contacts? I asked him to quit messing. Let's check the CCTV. Let's check the CCTV, guys. Andun siya sa loob. Yan, nagkagulo itong part na to. Ito. Dapat ko ba i-check itong ano na to? No, bro, ang creepy. He's messing with what? He's been snooping around the house. This is not cool. What? Dude, he's at my place right now. We were gonna go to the movies with Brady, but then it started pouring, so we stuck with the sleepover. Okay. Something feels off nga. And who the heck is this unknown sender? Sino naman to? Okay. I have to figure this out. I attributed all of that to lack of sleep. I was aware I have tendency of being overly paranoid. The only logical thing I could think of the time was to keep an eye on security. Okay, monitor. Nakabukas yung pinto dito. Sa entrance. Hello? Then idea never even entered in my... Oh, bro. Dude, wait, did you check out the article? It was Brady who told me about it. Oh, this is real sketchy. What do you mean, Andy? taas! I felt my heart skip a beat. I froze and kept staring at the screen in pure horror. Titignan niya yung litrato. Sino yan? What the heck, bro? What the hell? Okay, tumatay yung balahibo ko. So, baba siya mula dun. Ano siya nanonood ng TV? Sa kwarto ni Mr. Carson? Hello? Ba't babae siya? She's a baddie, bro. Look at her. Madam, can I get your number? I think magkakaroon ng mic indicator to once na magtago tayo. Oh, may gulay. Nandito tayo sa door na to. So, binubuksan niya na. Ini-inspect niya na para bang security guard siya. She was right outside the door to the room I was in. I thought my heart would pounding right out my chest. Oh, my gulay. Noah, are you in there? I really miss you. That. Okay, whatever is happening between us, we can work it out together. How did you get here? I've always been nothing but nice to you. At pag ginawa mo dito sa babaeng to? Pag ginawa mo dito? I know, sumagot ka nga. But you always treated me like shit. Like shiz, yeah. You need help, Kara? I know everything. I know you left me for her. But with her? Yung bago ko. So, yeah. I knew it, guys. I knew it. May bago tayo. Yung kachat natin ngayon, yung katokin stage natin is yung girlfriend natin ngayon, and also ito, ex natin. I knew it na may magkakaroon tayo ng stalker here sa bahay na to. Alam ko na agad. This is exactly why. At least she is not a junkie like you. Akala ko junkie like you. It's different with her. But I love you. What about that? You need to leave right now. We deserve a second chance. Okay, nagwawala na siya. You know, I could turn you into the police for this. Do it, and I will freaking kill both of you. You mean the police? Wag mo idama yung girlfriend ko dito. Sige, kami na lang ng police. Kami na lang police. Ano? If I can't have you, how? Nag-stuck yung game? What the heck? Oh man. Nag-stuck yung game, guys. So, nandito siya banda sa may pinto, guys. I wasn't even gonna try to open it. If I can't have you, no one else should.
Noah.
Whoa, nice hips. Ito na yun, guys.
Noah.
Oh, may gulay! Uy! Paano?
Noah.
Hey,
Noah.
takbo! Takbo, takbo, takbo! Ito na yung chance natin. Oh my gulay, I left the house and ran down the block. My dad called the cops. Though by the time they arrived, she had already left the house. But I knew where she lived. Kara was one of the first people I met on a dating site. Yun. You mean lit match? Or sa kanamang site like sa Mobile Legends or kahit anong game, Roblox? Doon mo ba siya na meet online? Dating site? What kind of dating site? Sa Omegle? She was 3 years old. She was 3 years older than me. Than me. But I found her cute. So, you found her cute? So, we started dating. However, 2 months into our relationship, she started doing hard drugs. I tried to get her help, but she turned around on me as if I was trying to change her. I tried to get help, but she turned... One day I had enough and I had to break up with her. What do you mean? Mahirap ba siya intindihin? Mahirap ba siya mahalin? I don't know if anong meron dyan. Tuyoin ba? Like narcissist? Like sarili niya ba iniisip niya? O siya, hindi mo siya ma-under. I told her to leave and never contact me again. She was pissed. She was trying to convince one of the cops she didn't intend on doing anything wrong that night. But of course, the cop wasn't buying it. They reviewed the footage and it showed everything. From the point of her entry to the moment she grabbed the kitchen knife. So, galing siya sa may kitchen, pagka-open niya nung oven nung doon banda sa baba. Nag-grab na siya ng knife and yeah, hinahanap niya na tayo, hinahunting niya na tayo. Na para bang may ako. From the point, okay, yun na yun. Then, but the thing that messed with me the most was the fact that nothing was stolen from the house. So, wala namang nakawin dun sa bahay. Ikaw lang ang nanakawin. May balak lang sa'yo. Gusto ko lang niya balikan. Pero hindi mo siya ma-under. Turns out, she was heavily under the influence. Under naman pala eh. Under siya ng drug and alcohol. Pero hindi mo siya ma-under. Yung tanging makakapag-under lang sa kanya is yung droga at yung alcohol. She was arrested and sentenced for a long while. Ang ganda ng game. Hindi mo siya ma-under, kaya doon siya nagpa-under sa droga at alak. Now I know. Like, yes, makakatulong yun sa kanya para malasing siya, makalimutan ka, and mabaliw, like, naka-drugs eh. Hindi mo siya ma-under, kaya nagpa-under siya doon sa mga tawag doon. Sa mga bisyo. Siyempre, like, broken ako, tara inom. Broken ako, tara droga. Parang ganun ba? Walang ganda. And, nakakatakot at the same time. Ilang beses ako na deads. I think, tinutulungan lang nitong bida na to na mailayo siya sa mga droga, sa mga bisyo, yung mga ayaw nung lalaki na ginagawa ng babae. And, hindi niya kayang i-under yung babae. Pero obsessed siya. I don't know, like, siguro yun na yung naging cause ng drugs, like yung epekto ng alak and drugs sa kanya, kaya siya nababaliw, kaya siya obsessed, like gumagawa na siya ng krimen kakaiba. That's why iniwan siya nung lalaki ni Noah. So naghanap si Noah ng bago, hinanting tayo nung luma, and hinanting niya tayo na paano, hindi ko alam kung paano niya nalaman na dito tayo nagtatrabaho, like sa bahay ni Mr. Carson. And parang yung yung nangyari kay Mr. Carson, diba, naka-receive si Mr. Carson ng death threats dahil sa ginawa niyang pakipag-break or divorce sa asawa niya. And yan, naka-receive siya ng mga death threats. And I don't know bakit wala nagpakita dito sa atin ng mga tao if ito yung bahay ni Mr. Carson. Like, wala nagpakita ng tao na ito ganyan, ito yung bahay ni Mr. Carson, batuin natin ng itlog. And yeah, wala tayong nakitang ganun. Kundi, ang dumating dito is yung ex natin. Na parang yun kagaya lang kay Mr. Carson, hindi tayo naka-receive ng death threats, kundi sa ex natin tayo naka-receive ng death threats. So yeah, ang ganda nung game. Ang ganda nung game. 10 out of 10. So yeah, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibago ang video. Maraming salamat. Kita tayo sa next video, guys. Bye-bye.